Hello everyone! Did you know that stickers can help your kids build motor skills and persistence in a fun and engaging way? In today's video, I'll be showing you 8 super easy activities for toddlers using just paper, pens, and stickers. These simple activities are perfect for anytime, anywhere. Let's dive in and get creative. First activity. Match stickers to color circles. Draw a large circle and smaller circles in different colors. You can start with just one color or change colors for each small circle. The goal is for your little ones to match the stickers to the correct colored circles. It's a fun way to practice color recognition and fine motor skills. Okay. Second activity. Match stickers to colorful rings. Draw colorful rings on a piece of paper. You can start with one color or use multiple colors for a more fun challenge. In this activity, we'll be matching stickers to the colorful rings. It's a great way for toddlers to practice motor skills by placing the stickers correctly and learn about colors. Show the toddler placing stickers on each ring. Third activity. Finish the snail's shell. Draw snails in different colors and have your toddlers fill in their shells with stickers. For a little extra fun, you can add a number on each snail to show how many stickers they need to use. It's a simple and fun way to help them with counting, color recognition, and fine motor skills. Fourth activity. Count and stick. Draw several trees on a piece of paper. Write a number on the trunk and ask your toddler to stick that many stickers on the tree. It's a fun way to practice counting and fine motor skills. If they're just starting with counting, you can keep it simple by letting them cover the whole tree with stickers. It's a great way to get creative and work on their skills at the same time. Fifth activity. Decorate the fish. Draw a large fish and ask your toddler to fill it with stickers. You can add different lines to guide them to follow specific colors for each section. Ask your toddler to decorate the fish by placing stickers on its body and fins, encouraging creativity and color recognition. Sixth activity. Stick the correct sticker on each letter. Draw some letters of the alphabet on a piece of paper and have corresponding small stickers with the same letters. Your little one will place the correct sticker on each letter. You can say the letter out loud to reinforce learning. Activity 7. Traffic light sticker match. Draw several traffic lights on a piece of paper and use red, orange, and green pens to create small circles in each section. Ask your child to place the correct sticker in each section of the traffic light. This activity is perfect for teaching patience, fine motor skills, and color recognition. Activity 8. Stick stickers on the right petal. Draw several flowers with blank petals on a piece of paper. You can start with just one flower and one color to make it easier for your little one. Then, ask your child to decorate the flower by adding stickers to the correct petals. And that's it. 8 easy sticker activities for toddlers. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas.